right now.
Yeah, Johnny DK here. He's about to do some insane drifting. We're gonna have you guys check out the footage. Look at the tire setup on a C7. This thing's definitely not at Cars and Coffee on Sunday. We also got a Camaro over here, SS. Got a 440, I think it'd be 440, and another Corvette over there. Waiting on a couple more cars, and then probably gonna ride out and get some more footage done. The boys pulling up. The boys pulling up.
I swear to God, I thought it was security.
We got some cars out here.
Hey man. We got the line up.
Got the Bmw'S over here. I'm about to show you guys what we're gonna do. So the shot is basically, we're gonna start from right there, and we're gonna go in like, and I'm gonna be coming in through this way.
D-Money and Brandon about to pull up right now.
There's Hellcat here.
That's not, nigga, that does not leave you.
AMG.
That's fucking strike right
AMG here. Next to the RS5. Trying to figure out which car we're gonna use for the shoot. Ready?
Yes, sir.
Snaps, bro. Everybody pray. So we're over here at the truck stop now. We got a whole bunch of cars and shit. It's a big little open spot. Trucks be coming over here and stuff. We got some Corvettes, we got some Camaros, we got the Hellcat, the AMG in the cut. Got an AMG GT53 here. Got a Hellkizzle Hellcat.
Yo, get the angle from that pole. Life a little bit, so I went up a little bit and I came back down. You see the water just
Splash all over you? Yeah, in that shot he did splash. He did splash. Oh, we got all these cars here. Whew, some insane drifting. Sorry guys about it being vertical. The main camera being used right now is a Sony A7, and I don't have 4 people. Well, I don't have 2 Chris's going on right now, but I definitely do have my dog Nate, and he's helping out. Oh, that's fire. Hell yeah, my dog just got the A7 IV. So we're out here working for real. Yo, the MT40's on port injection?
Yeah.
This one's on meth? Yeah. No wonder this shit slides so good.
Why, yeah.
This shit slides.
This thing stopped.
This one, the 5.0?
Yeah.
Yeah, you're putting down for a 5.0. You just gotta change gear and let it play out.
That was second.
Oh, okay. Okay. Over here at Wawa, we got word that there was a cop taking the exit, so we had to go. But yeah, over here we got the 3 Series and the 5 Series. We got the SS and the Scat. We got the Mustang with the quiet plate. That's pretty cool. Got the Jiff Vet here, right next to the Mustang. This guy's loud. This thing's dope though. The suspension, like everything. It's gonna be a full build soon. And we got another Hellcat that just pulled up. We got the AMG in the cut. Then we got a Vet.